At this lecture, maybe next year we'll talk more about this kind of things. I get to develop our community. The other point in development, it is something very dear to me. And I think the platform is there for all of us to come together to evolve this community. Most of us, I've been in Amainyi gas school here before I got to university before Opuwa. I feel that here in the school in Amainyi, starting from all our primary school. Because it's an Amainyi, right? The family begins. The children of today are the essence of tomorrow. So, as well as then when we go to the other side, we hand over the community to them. At least we die happily. I matter that our community is sustained and continue.